Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Tech It Simple. Today, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can change your name on Tubi. Keep watching the video till the end to learn how. To change your name on Tubi, firstly, go ahead and open up your Google search. In the search box at the top, type in Tubi. And make a search. Make sure that you're logged into your Tubi account, and it will take you to the homepage of Tubi. Click on your profile name at the top right corner of the screen, and from the drop-down, click on Account Settings. On the next page, under the My Account section, edit your name and tap on Save. This is how you can edit or change your name on Tubi quickly and easily, just in a few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.